Welcome to this video on how DLMS/COSEM smart energy meters work and why interoperability is a critical factor in the modern energy landscape. In the past, energy grids were simple, delivering power in one direction. Today's smart grids are different. They exchange data, allowing meters to measure parameters, store records, and communicate directly with utility providers. At the heart of this communication is DLMS, or Device Language Message Specification. It is a standardized communication protocol that allows meters and utility systems to talk to each other. It's important to note that DLMS does not measure electricity itself. It just provides the common language for the devices. DLMS and COSEM work together as a framework. DLMS acts as the language for communication, while COSEM, which stands for Companion Specification for Energy Metering, provides the structure, organizing data into a standardized object model. Data points are identified using the OBIS system or Object Identification System. By combining an OBIS code with a value and unit, raw numbers are transformed into meaningful information that systems can easily interpret. These smart meters record massive amounts of grid data. They track various energy types, monitor voltage and frequency, manage time-of-day registers, and log maximum power demand. The meter builds a continuous load profile, tracking how power consumption changes throughout the day. Utilities rely on this data to accurately balance grid operations. Smart meters also enhance security. They detect and log abnormal events like power failures or tampering attempts. Furthermore, the system protects data through advanced encryption and authentication. The DLMS protocol is versatile. It can run over various physical technologies, including cellular networks, optical probes, RF mesh, or power line communication. Regardless of the physical medium, the underlying data model remains consistent. The data flow is structured. The meter sends information through a communication network to a head-end system, which acts as a gateway. Finally, the meter data management system processes these records for billing and analytics. Comparing conventional meters to DLMS smart meters, we see clear benefits. While both measure energy, DLMS adds capabilities like remote reading, detailed load profiling, and advanced event logging. Interoperability is a major advantage. With proprietary systems, utilities are locked into specific brands. DLMS provides a universal language, allowing different meters to work seamlessly with a single utility software system. DLMS empowers consumers as well. Bidirectional metering supports solar energy integration, while time-of-day tariffs help users manage loads. This leads to more accurate billing and better overall energy efficiency. It is important to clarify that DLMS does not inherently improve measurement accuracy, which depends on hardware sensors. Instead, DLMS is the enabler for advanced metering infrastructure and reliable data communication. As our future grid becomes more dynamic and distributed, the role of DLMS/COSEM becomes vital. It provides the digital foundation that drives the modern energy transition through truly interoperable data.